welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out the door to Costco, and I'm taking my sons with me so that we can show you some really great ideas to get maybe some gifts or some presents for maybe some friends or some grandkids, just to give some ideas on what to get them and things that they might be interested in themselves. So let's get started, and I need to pick up some yummies, so let's go. I'm so happy to be taking the boys with me. I'm hoping with their input I can pick up some really good stuff for the house, some good ideas, some treats, maybe some snacks, and just some good go-tos. So let's go do that. Oh, these are cool. Look at all this like electronic stuff. So here's the first thing that Ezra would like to share for 8-year-olds. What is it here?
I want puzzles. I want this one.
A puzzle. So this puzzle has 500 pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Is that too challenging for an 8-year-old?
No, I can do it. This one back here has 1,000.
Ooh, 1,000. That could be a good family activity.
And this one
All right, so let's keep looking. And of course, the second thing he sees is Legos. So what a good price for Legos. And which one do you like better?
I don't know. I think this one.
Ooh, the car.
He likes this one the best.
I don't. I like
That's
this
kind of cool though if you're into like Spider-Man and stuff.
one. Oh yeah, that one looks good too.
So do you think 8-year-olds would like that? What about that Star Wars one behind you?
That's a little too much.
That's too much. Well, he's conscious of prices, so that's really good. What about the one next to it? So the Costco has some really great Lego sets. That's cool. All right, Jonas, the 13-year-old, what do you see that would be a good gift?
Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War.
All right, Call of Duty. What's so good about this one?
It's fun.
It's a fun game.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, it's only $30 here. Is that a good price?
Yeah, that's really good.
What are they normally?
60.
60. Oh, that's almost half off. All right, so there's some other games here like Avengers. Would that be a good game to get, Avengers?
Yes, it would.
All right, so there's some good choices here. All right, is this something that a 13-year-old would want?
Yes.
Yes. So a pro football looks like it's $20. That's really nice. Does it feel
I have the same
good?
exact one.
Oh, you have the same one already?
Mm-hmm.
Nice then.
And it feels good too.
Was yours 20 bucks?
I don't know.
I don't remember.
We got it like 4 years ago.
But wow, they have plenty here. I'm actually quite impressed with everything that they have here during this time of year. So if you don't have a Costco card, maybe asking a friend to take you or a family member that might, because you may be able to get some good gifts here. Okay, so we are back and I'm ready to share with you what I got from Costco. I guess first off here are their tortilla strips. So this is a huge bag of tortilla chips. They're really, really good, and they are under $4, so like $3.50 or something like that for this big old bag of 3 pounds of tortilla chips. What a good price. So let me show you what else I got. So I picked up another rotisserie chicken. Actually, Jonas really wanted it and wanted to eat it, well, probably more like devour it for lunch today. So I thought, what a great way to have a pretty healthy lunch. So I will go ahead and use whatever's left for maybe tomorrow's dinner or tomorrow's lunch. I picked up 24 eggs. I am going through a lot of eggs. I'm cooking a lot more, and I make a lot of those breakfast little ham and cheese and egg, and I bake them in muffin tins. It is so good. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I put, if it's a rectangular piece of ham, I cut that in half, and I put those in all the wells after I've sprayed them. And I put an egg in there, cook it for 14 minutes, and then pull it out, sprinkle some cheese on top, and put it in for like another minute or two, just until it melts, and that's at 400 degrees. Best breakfast ever. Okay, every time I go, I always pick up a couple of these. Now, they have raised their cheeses in price. The price for cheese has gone up. So these were $6.99 each, and like not even a year ago, they were $2 cheaper. So, or less, like even more than that. I want to say it was like $4.50 for a block. So now I can get them cheaper at Walmart or even at Vons on a good sale. So, but I still get them because I stock up. Of course, I have to get the butter. This is $6.99 for all of this butter. So if I get a sale, I could still get like these for like $2.99 each. And that's still like $12. So I'm saving so much money buying butter at Costco. So yeah, with the holidays too, especially with those cookie recipes coming up, I am needing the butter. Another thing is I love these tortillas so much. Now, the majority of the people in our family are now trying gluten-free or do gluten-free. So really, Ezzy and I are the only ones that will eat these. And he loves quesadillas on this tortilla. So they're uncooked. You have to cook them up, but they have like 18 in each pouch. So I just cook up one batch at a time, put them in a Ziploc bag, and boom, 10 seconds in the microwave, they're ready to go. You guys, I have to buy this every time I go now to Costco. This is the best ever. This is going to save you time in the kitchen. Right before, if you're not sure what you're wanting for dinner, these are frozen. They're in smaller pieces. You just cook them right up. Takes like, 10, 15 minutes or so. Add some veggies, make some rice, add some sauce, boom. You have teriyaki bowls. If you want to even add spaghetti sauce, you can make some chicken spaghetti. It is so easy to make this chicken up, and the possibilities are endless when it comes to a quick meal. So let me show you what else I got. Let's keep going. I bought, of course, I picked up my Boujee Tuna. Woo woo. Okay, so these run about $3.50 to $4.50 for one can. I got it for $15.99 for 6 of them. So I say that's a good price. So you guys, if you've not had this tuna, it is the best tuna to me because I happen to feel like I am a connoisseur of tuna, canned tuna. And I've tried very many different kinds. My number 2 would be the Trader Joe's canned tuna that they have. It's pretty good. But this one comes out like a tuna steak. Very little water. And it's locally it's sustainably caught, pull caught or something like that. So, and it's upside down. So that's how you know it's extra special because the tab's on the bottom. And I affectionately refer to it as my Boujee Tuna. So on that, I had to get this special bread, the Grandma Sycamore bread, to make tuna sandwiches with. So this is very yummy bread. I don't know where it originates from, but I will tell you the first time I had it was in Utah. And it was visiting a family member, or my brother-in-law, and my husband's aunt and uncle. And they had, and we nearly ate the whole loaf because it was just that good. And anyways, at Costco, they're 2 for $4.69. When I go to the grocery stores just to buy one, it can be somewhere between $3-ish to $3.50-ish per loaf. So that's also a good buy at Costco. So I wanted to pick up some more old-fashioned oats. I just like to have these on hand. I have a big container that stores it, and we'll have breakfast for dinner, or I'll make cookies with them. But there's other things too, like an oatmeal bake. I have a recipe for that. That's super yummy. So this is good to have. And really, I just love a good bowl of oatmeal. It's like the best breakfast. Now, talking about breakfast, I bought some things that I don't normally buy or that I've never bought. So I can't wait to show them to you because if you've used these products, let me know down below what your thoughts are about them. But I picked up these Spud potatoes. They're hash brown potatoes. It looks like you just, easy prep, you just add water into the container. You guys, I'm a little what did I get myself into? So if I make hash browns, I just grate potatoes. I make sure they're nice and dry. I season them well, and I don't usually add any flour to them. So I'm curious to know if these have like a flour in them. It says potatoes, salt, and dextrose for freshness. So I'll have to do that, some research. But when I make them, I just fry them up. It's good. Like, so I know that I have had friends tell me that they really like their hash browns from this company. So we'll give it a try. I mean, it seems like it'd be a good storage item to have in your, like in your food storage, or just for like, fun. Just have a nice, Saturday breakfast or a Sunday breakfast. It's just easy go-to. So I kind of like that idea as well. Let me know if you've ever used that. I said I was in the market for getting some more flour. So this is organic flour, and the best part, this is 20 pounds, and I got it for $10.99. Now, I will normally buy that Wheat Montana. I think that's what it's called, the flour. It's like one of my favorites. It's in a blue bag. It's all good. Like it's, high integrity. It's non-GMO, all of that, all the good stuff. And that for 5 pounds is about $6.50. And so organic for 20 pounds was $11. What a great price. So I'm going to keep that in my food storage, in my pantry, so that we can just kind of keep filling up and reusing. Another thing that I purchased that I don't normally, do you guys take a probiotic? I'm just so curious. Paul wanted me to pick up some probiotic, and they could range in different prices. And so I don't know what that means exactly. Just because it says it's $60, does that mean it's better? This one was $16. And I figured I didn't want to do it like a gummy because I already have vitamin gummies and they're not my favorite to chew. Anyways, that we just took a pill. So you just let me know if you take a probiotic, and do you feel like it works for you? Is it quick that you're starting to feel and notice a difference? I'm so curious. The last thing that I picked up are these Orgain clean proteins. So Jonas is on a health kick. So he wanted me to pick up some protein shakes just so that he could help have some extra protein for breakfast in the morning. And I kind of feel like, you know what? If they're going to drink it, this was $25. So that was a little on the pricier side. But honestly, it was the cheapest one that they had of all their protein drinks at Costco, which are still really good price, because if you're going to buy one of these at the store, they can get a little pricey as well. So Orgain, I actually would buy the big powders. It's actually my favorite of the protein powders. So it has a really good taste. So I'm hoping that these shakes will have a really good taste as well. And I'll probably have a couple just for breakfast or maybe for a snack. With my boys trying to be, and Paul trying to do some better eating and clean eating, I'll be a part of that too. I just ate a salad for lunch, for goodness sake. So you guys, thanks so much for going with me to Costco. I hope that you like the suggestions from the boys on what some of their favorite go-tos were for Christmas presents if you're in the market. And also, I'm just kind of glad that they went with me. That was so fun. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.